to the central set.
And we're going to do a 5 of the last one.
With the rapid growth of cross-border e-commerce, more foreign hosts are appearing on Chinese live stream platforms. And today, let's meet one of them. Hello everyone, today we're selling rugs. You see, they're very beautiful.
You can choose different style of designs, and I think our rugs are very important.
Yeah, I think I'm running out of things to say.
Actually, you did pretty well for your first time.
How could you be able to keep talking for hours in the live stream?
So initially when I started, I also struggled, but I watched other live streamers and obviously I practiced. But my approach to live streaming is I do a research about a product and about the industry. During live stream, I like to share valuable information to the audiences, and obviously that gives me a lot to talk about.
I heard your team does factory tour live streams as well. So how does that work, and does it work well?
They allow consumers to see the different production processes for products and build trust. And so it works very well. We actually recently did a live stream where we connected a domestic automotive manufacturer to a European auto show.
Oh.
It was really amazing. We literally showed how the car can go into water, can be driven in water, and we also did a fire test where the car drives over fire. So after people were seeing this, they got really curious about what kind of car is like this, is very durable. So it improved the inquiries and a lot more people got interested in that particular brand.
And I also think, product analysis needs expertise. And you studied in science and engineering, right? How does that help your live stream?
It actually helps a lot. So because of my engineering background, I see products systematically. So I think why this material was selected and what real world problem does it solve. I'm not limited to just one group of products. I can do all kinds of products.
I can see that you're very experienced now. So how did you start in this business?
I started in 2021. There was a live stream competition, and initially I joined just to improve my sales skills. Companies saw some potential in me, and then they later invited me to actually try some real live streams.
Bati then introduced me to his boss Jordan, who was the one organizing that life-changing contest for Bati.
所以您当时是为什么会创办这样一个大赛？
中国的跨境电商发展这几年十分迅速，已经成为中国外贸增长的创新驱动力。我们基于之前的外国留学生社群，组织面向全球留学生的一个跨境电商创新创业大赛，通过筛选、孵化、培训呢，去找到一批内容创作者，为他们提供了一个在中国的职业发展很好的一个机会。他们表现出双重的语言文化优势，能够很好的助力我们中国品牌的出海。
其实我们看到现在这样的一个国际贸易环境是存在不确定性的，这个是不是也会给你们带来一系列的困扰啊，或者说挑战呢？
是挑战呢，也是一个机遇吧。首先是我们看到一些选品方向，我们过去的话，从一些以消费电子、美妆、家居为主的老三样，到当前我们更多的去关注以锂电池、光伏产品和新能源汽车为主的新三样，它代表的就是我们从低附加值到高附加值这样一个转变，也是我们中国的科技的一个创新体现啊。第二个的话，出海区域上来看，我们过去更多关注像东南亚、北美市场，今年的话，我们会把更多的重心或精力放在欧洲以及日韩、东亚这些市场。我们也很高兴能够挖掘到像 Bati 这样一批的内容创作者。
So what is next for you? Are you going to stay in live streaming or go back to engineering?
So I could say the best two decisions I've made was initially to come to Hangzhou to study, and the second was to start a live streaming career. Because of this live streaming career, I've been able to learn a lot about different industries. I've been able to gain a lot of resources and knowledge. And I think I'm ready to try and start my own business.
So whether starting a business or live streaming, what opportunities does China offer?
The Chinese live streaming industry is very advanced in terms of just platforms, technology, and just the live stream systems. So it's very advanced. And also, a lot of Chinese manufacturers are looking to go global, to take their products overseas. There's also a lot of policies and developments been done by China. We are in the global e-commerce service center right here in Hangzhou. They can help you do your visa and help you do startups and give you a lot of information about how you can get started into a business like this.
So you've actually stayed in the business for a while now. How do you see the changes of made in China over the past years?
People used to have a strong bias against Chinese products, but now there's a lot of people have used high quality Chinese products, and now Chinese products have actually become sort of like a symbol of like high quality and innovation.
So what does that mean for other countries then?
A lot of these high quality, high tech products, they were monopolized by just a few countries, right? Then when manufacturing moved to China and they became China made in China, it was like the great equalizer. Like it literally leveled the playing field. So all these countries that didn't have access to these technologies and high quality products before, now they have, and it's given them the opportunity to develop as well.